Hurry up, throw that rope. I'm down in the belly of a 1970s 50 some odd foot houseboat beast. Got a couple of Chrysler 318s here. This port side motor, I got it running last weekend. Now I've got to get it cooling, and then I'll move over to the starboard side motor. So come along with me as we get these motors running, make sure this houseboat is drivable, and then we're going to move this thing across the entire lake. That ought to be a fun journey. Can't wait. Alright, here we go. Right here I'm trying to get the main inlet for the impeller pump fixed up. It had some corroded up hoses, and just trying to get that freed up a little bit so the motor could have a good supply of fresh water. As you can hear, that's a lot of water coming in through the water pump inlet, basically a giant hole in the bottom of the boat. She was really gushing hard at this point, and I was kind of panicking to find a solution. I had to cut the hose right here and then remount it on the stub. Mother freaking fuck. We got a leak. I think we're gonna have cooling now. Get these last few hose clamps tightened up, and we'll let this thing idle. That goes there. And on to the other side. Sunday morning, 7 a.m. Back to PK to finish up with the boat. Yesterday I got the port side motor done and cooling. It was running kind of bad and it was stumbling off idle. Thought it was carburetor related, but it was bad gas related. As soon as I put some fresh gas in it, thing lit off, started running like a champ. So we bought some auxiliary gas tanks last night. We're gonna run the boat on little auxiliary tanks to get it across the lake. I'm gonna finish up the starboard side engine this morning. drive that thing across the lake, and I'm gonna hopefully make it back to Fort Worth, load up the Z, and hit the track tonight. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be fun. We'll see you at the lake. Alright, so I was able to get this motor going a while ago. We're draining the old gas side of the tank, put the impeller and water pump back together, so we can get this one running pretty good. And then we'll be underway soon, hopefully. Alright, Brad, crank. Yep. To get underway here. It's gonna be interesting. So after a minor battle of getting the starboard side motor going, after getting it heat cycled a couple times, it ended up busting the exhaust bellows. So it was about noon, and we decided it was time to get underway under one motor. So kind of a risky maneuver, but ultimately it paid off in the end. We got across the lake with no worries. It was pretty fun getting this old houseboat back up and running. I think that it's probably been about 9 or 10 years since it was started last, so bit of a challenge, but ultimately I prevailed and had a good time doing it. So after this little launching video of its first underway in quite a few years, I've got some time lapse and some drone footage, and then the docking video at the end. So thanks for watching, guys. These videos are kind of fun for me to make, and remember to like and subscribe, and get out there and get on the water.
Okay, so you're saying we have starboard.
I'm thinking that once you untie this right here, it's gonna start swinging us that way.
Yeah, it's gonna be
and then we just need to clear the back.
Yeah.
So you stand like back there.
Yeah. I got it back there.
Gino, you wanna tell her to just undo this one?
No.
True. We just need to go forward as much as we can, and then just start swinging the bow over.
You gotta hold on for a second. No, we don't need to push off on anything.
Yeah, because that'll push us that way. We kind of just need to let the wind.
Let's not even worry about this one.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm about to let go.
3, 2, 1, go.
How clear are we, Jesse?
Cut it! We're gonna hit that wire.
We're good. Yeah.
it feel with just one?
Not bad.
Okay, good. Nice. Get this shit out of your way.
Time to dock this big old boat. We'll see how it goes.
Well, till you ride.
Hurry up, throw that rope.